Alright, so today we'll be looking at algorithm efficiency. So what is efficiency? So efficiency is basically how good or effective something is. So if you know about physics, then it is the ratio of useful energy performed over how much energy in total is used. If we look at an example, we can use wind turbines as an example of electrical efficiency. So the efficiency would be the energy created from wind over how much time is spent building the turbine, the cost of the turbine, and how long it lasts. So this kind of comparison between how useful something is or what we're getting out of it versus what we're putting into it or the effort that's needed for that. So a bit more relating to computer science now with the algorithms. If we look at searching algorithms, if you haven't seen, there are two kinds, which are linear and binary search. I've done a video on that, so you can check that out. But what it is linear search goes through each item in the list until the target is found. So this is a sequential process, whereas binary search uses divide and conquer, which is the method of splitting the list in half. So if you remember decomposition, it's always best to split problems down into smaller, more manageable chunks. So these are two types of algorithms that do exactly the same thing, but which is best? Let's see. So if we compare these two algorithms using the diagrams below, we can see that in the linear search on the left, we're trying to find the target 20, which is in item location 6, and this takes 6 steps. So it's in item location 6, so we go through sequentially and we find it after 6 steps. Whereas in the binary search on the right, we're actually looking for the number 75, and 75 is in location 8. But it doesn't take 8 steps like linear search. If we were using linear search, it would take 8 steps, but we're using binary. Binary, you can see they're a lot faster because it only takes 3 steps by comparing those midpoints. So iteration 1, 2, and 3. Binary search is faster and therefore more efficient because we're taking less time, we're taking less memory. And let's see the next one. Alright, so in summary, algorithm efficiency is about how much time and resources or effort we are putting into something to get a desired result. If algorithm 1, let's say, does the same thing as algorithm 2, but if one of them does it much slower and takes more memory space, then it's not efficient, right? And the other algorithm would be far superior. It's always best to choose a more efficient algorithm because the quality of something is always the most important thing. Just like in real life scenarios, you could buy let's say you buy a t-shirt and the quality is low, then you'll be buying much more of those t-shirts, which are not really good for the environmental impact and whatnot. But if you're buying a high quality item, then it lasts much longer time, and then better for the environment. Don't support fast fashion, guys. Alright, see ya.